The whisper beyond the red horizon. Mars had always been a mystery to humanity, its rust-red deserts, towering Olympus Mons, and the tantalizing possibility of life. For centuries, Earth sent probes, rovers, and orbiters to investigate the barren planet. What no one expected, however, was for Mars to send a message back, the Martian civilization. Deep beneath the frozen regolith of Mars, shielded from the harsh radiation of the sun, thrived a hidden civilization. They called themselves the Veykans, a race of highly intelligent, silicon-based life forms. For millennia, they lived in vast subterranean cities powered by geothermal energy, their existence sustained by a unique blend of biochemistry and advanced technology. Unlike humans, their evolution was shaped by an intimate connection with their planet's magnetic fields, allowing them to communicate through electromagnetic pulses. The Veykans were aware of Earth's activity on Mars. The first tremors of curiosity came with the Viking landers, followed by the persistent rovers scraping and drilling into their home. They watched silently as NASA's instruments scoured the Martian surface, broadcasting data back to Earth. The Veykans debated for decades about whether to reveal themselves. Many feared humanity's history of conflict and exploitation, but others saw an opportunity for unity and exchange. The rover's drill narrowly avoided penetrating a critical Veykan communication conduit. Alarmed, their leaders concluded that they could no longer remain silent. They needed to make contact, not as a plea for help, but as a gesture of peace, the satellite project. The Veykans began constructing the Harmonic Beacon, a satellite unlike anything humans had seen. Forged from a rare alloy of Martian minerals, the beacon was designed to orbit Earth and transmit a series of complex signals directly to NASA. Its creation was a monumental effort, requiring the combined ingenuity of their greatest engineers and scientists. Universal Language Protocol. The Veykans analyzed Earth's broadcasts, particularly mathematics and physics. Using prime numbers, fractals, and molecular diagrams, they developed a language that would be unmistakably intelligent and universal. Cultural context. To prove their peaceful intentions, they encoded holographic sequences depicting their history, biology, and culture. The sequences included their struggle for survival, the beauty of their subterranean cities, and their dream of interplanetary friendship. As the beacon neared completion, Vacant society buzzed with anticipation and anxiety. Would humanity understand their gesture? Would they respond with curiosity or hostility? Launch day. The Veykans used one of their geothermal launch systems, a towering construct that propelled the harmonic beacon skyward with a brilliant arc of plasma energy. The satellite ascended through the thin Martian atmosphere, breaking free of the planet's gravity and setting course for Earth. For weeks, the beacon traveled silently through the void, its systems dormant until it entered Earth's orbit. On a crisp December morning, NASA's Deep Space Network detected an unusual object near the planet. Initial confusion gave way to astonishment as the object began broadcasting a signal unlike any they had encountered. The signal. The signal was elegant and layered, beginning with simple pulses, prime numbers, the Fibonacci sequence, and the periodic table of elements. As scientists at NASA decoded these patterns, more complex messages emerged. Holographic projections revealed stunning images of the Veykans and their underground world, sprawling crystalline cities illuminated by bioluminescent flora, their magnetically based communication devices, and a visual timeline of their evolution. The message concluded with a direct appeal. We seek peace. We wish to learn. Will you talk to us? NASA was stunned. News of the alien contact leaked within hours, and the world was thrust into a frenzy of speculation and excitement. Governments convened emergency meetings, while scientists raced to draft a response. The response NASA crafted a reply using the same principles of universal communication the Veykans had employed. They transmitted diagrams of human anatomy, Earth's solar system, and cultural symbols, along with a recorded message. We welcome you as friends. Let us build a bridge between our worlds. The Veykans received the message with elation. It marked the beginning of an unprecedented collaboration. Over the next few years, a series of exchanges unfolded. The Veykans shared their knowledge of sustainable technology, geothermal energy, and their unique understanding of magnetic fields. In return, humans introduced them to art, music, and the vast diversity of Earth's cultures, challenges, and hope. The road to cooperation wasn't without obstacles. Some humans feared the Veykans, viewing them as a potential threat. Conspiracy theories and calls for militarization spread. Similarly, some Veykans doubted humanity's intentions, recalling the destruction they observed in Earth's history. However, the leaders of both species worked tirelessly to bridge these divides. Joint missions were planned to study both planets, with Veykans assisting in the colonization of Mars and humans sharing their expertise in space exploration. A new era. Decades later, the partnership between Earth and Mars became a symbol of interplanetary unity. The Harmonic Beacon, now enshrined in a museum, stood as a reminder of the courage it took to reach out across the stars. For the Veykans and humanity, the message was clear. The universe was vast, but it was not empty, and together they could explore its endless possibilities.